Namaste. On behalf of Radhakrishna Astro Services, I'm very excited to be a part of you and present this wonderful video talking about the planets and its aspecting houses. All these months, we have been talking about the 9 planets, the 12 zodiac houses, and the 27 stars. How these 3 parameters interact with each other and give us an exciting science of astrology. And beyond that, we went ahead and studied about where a planet gets the different dignities like being exalted, being debilitated, or being placed in its own sign. Recently, we studied how long does a planet take to pass through a 30-degree zodiac sign. Today, we are going to talk about how a planet is going to play its other role, that is aspecting a specific Rashi or a zodiac sign, or aspecting other planets. For that, we have to understand what kind of Vedic aspect model that we are studying. According to the Vedic astrology, Sun, Moon, Mercury, Rahu, Ketu. Let me repeat. Sun, also known as Surya. Moon, Chandra. Mercury, Buddha. Rahu and Ketu. These 5 planets, they have one aspect according to the Vedic model, which is the 7th house. So whenever we talk about the 7th house, we are talking about something on a same straight line, mathematically to speak, 180 degrees. Very simple. If I am standing right in front of you, you get to see me, I get to see you, right? Likewise, all the planets just get to see something which is directly straight opposite to that. Okay? That is the 7th house. If you look into that, all the planets listed, they've got the aspect to the 7th house. So next one in the list is the Mangal or Mars. In addition to having its 7th house aspect, Mars do aspect the 4th house as well as the 8th house. Venus. In addition to the 7th house aspect, Venus, also known as Shukra in Sanskrit languages, aspects the 6th house and the 8th house. So Venus aspects 3 houses, which is 6, 7 and 8. Next is Jupiter, also known as Brihaspati or Guru. Jupiter aspects 3 houses, 5, 7 and 9. Many people say if Jupiter is aspecting if Jupiter is throwing a 5th house aspect on a specific house, or Jupiter is throwing a 9th house aspect on a specific house, those houses are going to give good results. That's indeed true, provided Jupiter also acts as a benefic planet for that particular individual horoscope. Saturn, Shani. In addition to having its 7th house aspect, Saturn does cast its glance on the 3rd house, also on the 10th house. So first thing we need to understand is these aspects are strictly according to the Vedic astrology. In the Western zodiac signs and the Western astrology, they have different kind of aspect model. They have trine, opposite, sesquicential, square, these kind of aspects. We are not presenting the Western aspect model here. We are strictly sticking by the Vedic aspect model, and this is how it is. And there are also some people that dispute Rahu and Ketu. In addition to having the 7th house aspect, they also have 3rd and 11th. This is from one school of thought. Other school of thought, they argue in addition to the 7th house, Rahu and Ketu does aspect the 5th and 9th house, just like Guru. That could be some other subject matter for our discussion. But for now, let's stick by what we have discussed in today's class. Please zoom a bit to the whiteboard so that everybody can just have this final look, so that it just sticks on to them as they see. As always, your questions or comments regarding the videos are welcome. And if you are happy about our presentation, please feel free to subscribe and have your friends and families watch us and provide their valuable feedback as well. Thank you. Namaste.